Hello, this is Jeff Arnett, Master Distiller of the Jack Daniel Distillery, coming to you from Lynchburg, Tennessee. On behalf of everyone here at the distillery, I'd like to welcome you to the 2020 Ocean City Air Show. We hope you will grab a Jack Daniel's cocktail while you're enjoying the show today. Maybe a Jack and Coke sounds good right now. As always, we hope you will drink responsibly anytime that you do. Also, please remember to maintain a social distance of about 2 whiskey barrels or 6 feet from others who are not in your party. I hope you have a wonderful, safe, and responsible day in Ocean City. Cheers.
You heard from Jeff Arnett, the master distiller for Jack Daniels. I want to show you something. How about this? Gentleman Jack from Jack Daniels, but it has my name inscribed right on the bottle, Larry Strain. Thank you, Jeff. I appreciate it. We'll have a little taste of that this evening. I want to show you something here. Gentleman Jack Daniels with my name inscribed on it. That's good. Jim is in my way there. I cannot see my Gentleman Jack Daniels. Thank you so much to Jeff Arnett, the master distiller for Jack Daniels.
His is the oldest registered distillery in the United States. From a place where the water is cool, clean, and iron-free. Perfect for making Tennessee whiskey. Charcoal mellowed drop by drop for smooth sipping. Which is not the easy way. But it's his way.